Hey guys, we're live again. There's this weird thing that keeps showing up outside, and we're both pretty scared, so we grabbed this sword and a baseball bat, as you can see over there. I don't really know what time it is, so I didn't bother to check my phone.
You gotta be careful with these things.
Whoa, dude. That was a close one. We keep seeing it on the porch.
You could really hurt yourself.
Hey, Lex, quickly turn off the light, please.
You could really hurt yourself with these. Ow.
Did that really hurt?
Ah.
Dude, he just hit himself on the head with it. Like you. And you can't see anything. Boom. You can't see. You can't see anything. It's too dark. Co-assistant.
Bum.
Turn on the light, dude. Dude, turn it on. Wait, what? 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 Oh. Okay. This has been happening for a while. We keep seeing faces outside. There's a guy stalking us. Dude, this is weird. We've been up for a while. It might be because of the caffeine, right?
Yeah.
And all our cats are keeping us company. Me and him were playing Donkey Kong for a long time. It's true, though.
And Super Mario Bros.
Just dropped it. There's a cat. We actually heard some strange noises from our room.
Yeah, and there was a huge thump. Well, two.
There
porch.
are two very loud thumps on the porch. And it's very scary right now. See stuff. It's crazy! It's not really scary that bad. You can still... Wait, I'm gonna do a diary at one weekend quote. You can still hear the demonic laughter of you can still hear the demonic laughter of devil worshippers' voice, looking for more children to sacrifice.